Hi guys, and welcome back to another vlog on Annie's Diary. I'm still waiting on my parts coming from Euro Car Parts, namely the brake discs, the pads and the front shockeys. So there's really not a lot I can do with the brakes at the moment. So what I will do while I'm waiting is I'll whip the calipers off. I'll do one on camera and get the caliper cleaned up and painted so that when the brakes do come they'll be ready and the paint will be dry. I've also dug out the braided stainless steel brake lines for the front, so I'll get them on, and I will have to do the high-lows as well, so if I get a chance I might get them done in a future video as well. So yeah, let's not waste any time and get this caliper off and get it on the bench. As you've seen in the last video there, we got the new track rod end fitted. Happy with that. I've still got the hub obviously to fit back in here, and I need to remember to take that off and swap it for the new water shield. So yeah, this is what we're going to be looking at today, and we'll get the caliper off it. And the pads actually don't look too bad, but it doesn't matter because we're getting new pads anyway. So let's get a look at this caliper. Hopefully the pistons and that are okay. I mean, the car broke fine when it was driving, but hopefully we won't need new pistons at the moment. The front brakes will get a full overhaul at a later date, but hopefully not just now. But never say never, you never know. So anyway, let's put the camera down and get this caliper off and get it into the bench. Right, first up I'll get the flexi hose clamped off so we don't have a leakage. These are normally tight. Oh, there we go. Get my rag ready just in case we get any spillage. I'll just wind this off. There we go. Just a little bit, not much. Right, we've got the brake caliper off the car, and as you can see, it doesn't look too bad, to be honest. It is a little bit grotty, but I'm sure it'll clean up quite well. Well, it'll have to clean up quite well because I don't have funds at the moment for another caliper. So let's start getting this stripped down and cleaned up, and then maybe get some paint on it. Right, that's the caliper, well, cleaned up as best as I can really get it. Ideally I should be replacing these, but that will be for a future date. At the moment this is only just to tidy it up and get the car back on the road. So what I'm going to do now is, I've dug out some paint. I forgot I had this. It's high temperature paint. So I'll give it a splatty paint. That grease nipple there, you might have seen that in the high speed footage there. That was a grease nipple, the bleed nipple. That was a paint to get off. I got it off when I put the caliper in the vise, and I've cleaned up the threads and all that. So I've taped it off so I can plug the hole. I've plugged this hole here as well. So I'll just give the caliper just a coat of paint, and at least it'll look tidy when it's back on the car. But yeah, this will get rebuilt at a later date, or I might just put the mini spares brakes on it. See how the funds go later on down the line. So let's get this up onto the string and get it painted. Right, I've given this a good shake, so let's get some paint on it and then we'll call it a day at that. Well guys, I'll give that another couple of coats off camera, and obviously do the same with the other side, and hopefully the new discs and pads will turn up fairly soon, but if they don't, I've kept the old discs and pads, and push comes to shove I'll just use them, but I still need to get shock absorbers. So anyway guys, once again, if you have made it this far, thanks for watching, I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.